How to fix WhatsApp web not working on PC. Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can fix if your WhatsApp web is not working properly on your PC. So without any further discussion, let's get started. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser where you are currently using the WhatsApp web. Now in the web browser, try using WhatsApp web in a new incognito tab. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and select the option New Incognito Mode. Open WhatsApp web in the incognito tab and see if that works. If that does not, then go to your settings, come back to the main page and tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and scroll down and select the option Settings. In Settings, go to the option Privacy and Security. After that, select the option Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you have selected all time at the very top called Time Range. Select all time and click on Delete Data. Now select the option Third Party Cookies. Here scroll down and tap on the option See All Site Data and Permission. At the top right corner you will see a search bar. Type in WhatsApp. After that whatsapp.com will appear. Simply click on the dustbin icon right beside it. This will log you out from WhatsApp web. After doing this, open WhatsApp web and try to log in again and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.